if you are new, as you can tell, today I do have a special guest. Her name is Marissa. She's a really good friend of mine, and we decided to do this collab, this very colorful look. We picked up some new pigments, which you'll see throughout the video, and also we are wearing her lashes. If you don't know, she does have her own lash brand. I have it down in the description box, so go check out her YouTube, go check out her Instagram and everything. So if you have any questions, you could ask either one of us. Okay, so if you do want to keep watching to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and go check out Marissa's channel, also linked in the description, to check out how she got her look. guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet, and click that bell to get notifications from me. And also don't forget to check out Marissa's channel and give her a huge old like and a huge subscribe as well. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.